me, you're just about to start on bath bombs and you've probably looked at all the YouTube videos going, your brain's probably waffled, you might have written down about 5 different recipes or something like that, but really what you're wanting is something that's simple. So, on the basis I've done the research, I'll do the simple for you. This was my second attempt at a bath bomb. This was my first attempt, so I'm just going to show you, first of all, the key ingredients to make them, and then we'll go from there. This coconut oil was from Asda, and it was £2.45. I keep a tally on the top to tell me how many batches it's made so far, just so that I can work out cost-wise how much it's actually costing for the product. It's 100% coconut oil. All you do is you scoop it out into your spoon, put it into a jug and blast it in the microwave. For me, 4 tablespoons usually takes about, I'd say 50 seconds, but do just keep an eye on it, and if it's not fully dissolved, just give it 10-second flashes. Corn flour, 75p from Asda. That's a key ingredient that you'll need, and that's done with 2 batches so far. Powdered milk, this is optional, but this is what you will need if you want to get the bath bomb to create some bubbles. If you don't add this, you'll just get the fizz, you won't get the bubbles, so you do need powdered milk if you want that. I'm assuming it comes in different varieties, but this one was from Sainsbury's and I think it was about £1.45. Epsom salts, again, optional, you don't have to put them in, but they are good because obviously they help to relax aching muscles, so they're ideal for your bath bombs. £2.49 from Asda for a 1 kilogram bag. Citric acid, this is what helps create that lovely fizz. £1.75 from Wilkinson's. And I also got the bicarbonate of soda from the same place. I do believe it was the same price, but that one was actually 500 grams, but I've just literally finished off my box, so I don't have that to show you right now. But I do think B&M sell it for cheaper, for like £1, so go and have a look there. It's down the clean aisle, but it is safe to use. You'll need some sort of fragrance. Just be careful with these because essential oils and fragrance oils are 2 different things, which I'll do in a later video. But this one here is safe to use. It's not an essential oil though. And this was from purescented.com. Yeah. You can pick them up on eBay as well. That's where I got my lavender one from, and I think that was £1.99. So just make sure though that you are looking that they are skin safe. That's the main thing. Dyes, if like me you've looked at everything under the sun, from your micas to your lakes to your powdered dyes to your liquid dyes, you don't really know exactly what it is you need. Basically, after everything I've read, you can't go wrong with soap dyes. The liquid, you don't need to add anything to them. If you get mica dyes, I got a bit confused and thought you basically just add the powder into your mixture, mix it up and it would do the job. But then I watched a video showing what actually happens when it goes in the water, and it really doesn't do what it's meant to do. So do your research on it, but I will cover it on a separate video just to make it nice and easy for you. But I got this and it came in a set of 6 from eBay for £7.99. And finally, you will need the all-important moulds. Again, you can get different ones. These are the ones that I went for. They're just aluminium moulds. And I got a pack of 16 pieces for, I think it was £5.49 off eBay. If anybody wants the link, just comment and I'll share it, that's fine. It came in 3 different sizes, a larger one, a medium one, and then some small ones. The bath bomb that's at the start of the video, that's the large one. Sprinkles and things like that, they're optional. Just make sure basically that if you're getting glitters and things like that, that they're edible, because that means that they're safe to go down the drain. If you buy normal glitter, it's really not drain friendly. So try your best to get either edible ones or ones that are specifically, you can actually buy biodegradable glitters. I think a company sells them called Enviro glitters. So have a little look, but I'm assuming the cheapest option really is going to be from the baking aisle, and I've actually got some which I'll show you at a later date, but it just comes out in a little poofer. So I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions, just have a look below and please subscribe to follow some more.